Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Capital One account from your computer online. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Capital One account online, first open up the preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in capital1.com like this and hit enter. And after that you'll be directed to this page, which is the official homepage of Capital One. You can see you can also log into your Capital One account from directly the homepage by clicking on username and password, and the online account with which your Capital One account is authenticated with either your credit card or your MasterCard with your Platinum, Save or anything. Your username will be authenticated. So if you enter your username and password here and simply click on sign in, you will be able to sign in from over here directly, which is the home page. Or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot username or password and you will be able to recover your username or password depending upon which one you lost. Or if you have not yet created an account on Capital One, simply click on set up online access and you will be able to go through a procedure to create an account on Capital One. And you can also simply click on the top right corner of your screen, which is the sign in button. Also click over there, and similar case with over here your username, password, sign in button, same as the previous one, but it's a capital verified one. So both are the sign in pages. And guys, this is how you log into your Capital One account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.